Hey, what's going on, folks? Today we're back here on this clearing job. Probably a couple months ago, we did a video here where we were pulling stumps and cutting trees and processing them and getting the whole place grubbed. Well, now we're back, putting a ditch down through right along the clearing, separating the tree line. We've got a footing drain up at the beginning of it, coming from the house, and then a lot of water comes off this hillside, so this will be big enough to handle the water, but still shallow enough for the guy to drive across with his tractor and get to the other side. So we're gonna cut this in. I think it's about 300 feet long, and then we'll get to moving some of the grubbings with the skid steer and the grapple and getting ready to do some harley raking. And then we'll spend a little time on the harley rake and just kind of get it to where the customer feels comfortable finishing the rest with his tractor and York rake, and he can do his own seeding and strawing. And I think we'll be back next year to put a pond down in the lower end of it. So pretty cool project and great people to work for. This is the third or fourth project we've done for them. We did a concrete patio prep underneath their deck up there. Then we redid the driveway and ditched it. Now we're doing the clearing. So it's always nice to have repeat customers, that's for sure. Yeah, we're back here again today. Um, Gotta move this pile of grubbings. We were gonna haul it out. Decided we're just gonna build a berm way down at the bottom under the power line. So we gotta move, it's probably 25, 30 yards of grubbings. And then we're gonna harley rake the whole place and get it smoothed up as much as we can. The mud here was incredible. It's the bottom of the machine starting to drag through the mud, and these tracks are great everywhere except for the mud. And I didn't get stuck, but definitely had to use the grapple a couple times to push myself out of places. Definitely better than having a wheeled machine, that's for sure. Alright, so what you're about to witness is using a harley rake to plow large rocks and debris. There's probably some 8 or 10-inch rocks in here, along with some roots and stuff that were missed during the grubbing process. Doesn't hurt the machine at all. You just gotta go slow and just, you know your machine after a while. You know the attachment and what it can handle and how you need to approach things. So it works quite well. The downside is some of these roots get stuck in there, and you gotta keep going forward and reverse and feed them out. And they also get stuck between the roller and the plate, and you just learn to live with it. So, but in the course of 25 minutes, I had this whole area pretty much cleaned up and ready for them to finish themselves. So might beat up on your attachment a little bit, but honestly, that's what it's for, and that's why they cost $12,000. There's definitely spots, like from that close rock to the right, that's just too wet to rake for now, but we get the majority of it, and we definitely got all the big chunks.